Hello fellow traders, this is the first video from a series of videos that will follow for trading. Please keep in mind that 95% of traders are losers, and in this case we will need the proper tools to get started, and we will learn how to avoid mistakes. The purpose of these videos is to create your own strategy from scratch. So this will help you identify what to avoid and how to easily understand the winning strategy and immediately understand if it's worth trying or if you have to reject it. This is up to you and how you are willing to perform to your account. For the purposes of this series, I have created a real account. So actually I'm using MT4 platform, and the reason that I have started with 100 USD is just to show you that it is doable. You can start with a small amount, with a small capital. So in this case, you will be able to track and identify your mistakes. Again, I strongly recommend to start with a demo account and to avoid any beginner mistakes, like how to calculate your size, how to execute trades. And this demo account will help you a lot, at least in the beginning, for people that are new in trading. Again, do not have any unrealistic expectations. Do not become rich in a day or in a week or in a month. There are a lot of scammers out there. There are a lot of people that claim that can beat the market. But actually, if you are start analyzing their strategies, there is nothing behind. They don't even have a real account, a verified account that they can show you the trades that they did. So, as I stated earlier, 95% are losers. And in this tough situation, we will need tools to create our own winning strategy. I will use my FX book. I do not have any benefits from them. You can use anything you want, anything you prefer. This is a real account. This is the ID that you can check. And you can also check my trading history. We will mention all the details in future videos, and in this series we will go straight to all aspects of a healthy strategy, and a healthy strategy will give you a healthy account, and a healthy account will help you grow again by just having realistic expectations. We will backtest strategies, we will talk about indicators, we will talk about technical, fundamental, sentiment analysis, and all the topics that people want to learn about. No one can predict the market, so we just want to identify some profitable market behavior. We want to be able to identify a plan, a strategy that we will be able to execute again and again, so we can be profitable. Again, I hope I'll see you in the future, and we will be here and discuss and talk about trading. So trade safe.